Hello students, we are going to solve a question here on sales book. Till now we have just completed this purchase book. Before to that, now we are on sales book. Sales book is same like the purchase book. There is not much change, only the name is changed. Remaining the pro forma of the sales book is the same as the purchase book, and the same rule is adopted here in sales book. In sales book, two types of sales are not recorded. Number one, cash sale. Like in purchase book, cash purchases were not recorded. Here also cash sale is not recorded. Number second thing, as in purchase book, only the goods were recorded, means in which the business is dealing. If the purchase is done for those goods, that was recorded. Here also in sales book also the same rule is there. The sale of the goods, or in which the business is dealing in, only sale of those things are recorded. So these two things are kept in mind, okay, and remaining all the things are there. We are taking a question here on 16th May 1st. Sold goods to five-star furniture company, New Delhi, on credit. 150 chairs at the rate 200 each, 40 tables 600 each, discount 10%. Here it is the furniture house, so we'll see that only furniture transactions are recorded here. So here 150 chairs, this is the pro forma. This is the sales book made for this question. These transactions are recorded here. So on 16 May 1st, five-star furniture company, New Delhi. This is the first date, name of the customer to whom goods were sold. In our purchase book, here name of the supplier was given. Who was name of the supplier? From whom we bought the goods, from whom the business purchased the goods. So he is the supplier. Here our customer is there to whom we are selling the goods. So his name and detail about what we have sold. Okay. Then invoice number, same like the other one, ledger folio, detail and total amount. These were the same columns there. So now the first transaction, sold goods to five-star furniture. So here May 1st, date column, and five-star furniture company, New Delhi, 150 chair at the rate of 200 each, and 40 tables at the rate of 600 each. So we'll multiply it 15 into 2, 30, and 3 zeros, 30,000. 40 tables, 4 6 are 24, and 3 zeros, 24,000. That is here, and total is 54,000. Then trade discount. Then there is a trade discount here, 10%. And after deducting this trade discount, the net amount comes 48,600. This is shown here. Okay. Now come to the second transaction here. It says sold goods to Vishal Furniture House, Faridabad, 10 almirahs at the rate 2,000 each, 5 sofa set at the rate of 3,000 each, trade discount 15%. So here we will enter this here, 15th date we will put here, and then from whom to whom we sold the goods, Vishal Furniture House, Faridabad, and here 10 almirah at the rate of 2,000 each, and 5 sofa set at the rate of 3,000 each. So it is 10 to the 20 and 4 zeros, 10 to the 30, 20 and 3 zeros, and 5 3 are 15 and 3 zeros, 15,000 here. Total is 35,000, and trade discount when 15% is this we have given. So on this 35,000, 15%, 5,250, because 15 5s are 75 and 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7, 52. So 5250. So if we deduct this amount, then comes 29,750. So this is the net amount. Okay. This is the net amount. So this is this is shown here. Then comes the next item on 20th. 20th, sold goods to Prakash Furniture, House Chandigarh 100 chairs at the rate 180 each and less 5% discount. So Prakash Furniture 28th, you can see here Prakash Furniture House Chandigarh 100 chair at the rate of 180 each. When we multiply 18 1 18 and 30 18,000, 10% trade 5% trade discount is 900, deducted 17,100. It is there. Now come to the next transaction, that is on this here. Okay, so here you can see here on 25th, sold to Moonlight Furniture Company for cash it is given, and I told you that cash transactions are not recorded, so this will not be recorded because it has already come in this cash book. Now 28, sold goods on credit to Sunil Machinery Store, 2 old machineries, because the business is dealing in furniture, so this is machinery and typewriter. This will not be recorded because these are not the goods for the business. In these items for this business is not dealing, so these will not be recorded in the books of accounts. Okay, in the books, in the sales book. Okay, here, so then we will total up this thing here. When here we have total up this, total net amount we can say is 95,450. okay, this will be here. We will write the sales account on last date. It will be transferred here to sales account. How much is the sale? 95,450 is the sale for the month. It in the ledger account sales, in the ledger account of sales, it will be transferred total 95,000 for the full month. One entry will be passed. Okay, so this way this sales book is maintained, and it is the same way we were recording the transaction in the purchase book. In the same way here also transactions are recorded. Okay, thank you.